Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe of a simple dry fruit cake which you can make at home and enjoy with oven or even without oven. I am going to share two ways how you can make this cake at home. First, if you are going to use oven, preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. If you are going to bake this with a vessel, then preheat the vessel. Take a big vessel, place a plate on top of it inverted and preheat it on low flame. Also, make sure that you place the tin and see whether it fits or not. Now the next thing you are going to do is you are going to grease the tin nicely and line it with butter paper. The dry fruits I am going to use here are few almonds, few raisins and few walnuts. Before you make the batter of the cake, chop this into fine pieces, later you won't get the time. After doing all the preparations, let's start making the batter of the cake. For the batter, I am going to take 3 eggs. Now eggs add texture and softness to the cake. With this I am going to add a spoon of vanilla essence and I am going to beat this in mixer for 5 minutes. Beat it nicely for 5 minutes. This will ensure that there is enough air in the eggs and this will make the cake very soft. So after 5 minutes you are going to observe that the eggs have doubled in their quantity. Now I am going to take a clean bowl and add 3/4 cup of oil. Into this I am going to add the eggs mixture and mix it nicely. Now going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Use good quality cocoa powder to yield best results. Now mix it nicely and mix it well. Make sure all of the things that you are using to make the batter should be clean and dry before using. Now going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. So I have just grinded sugar in a mixer grinder and going to use this. Mix the sugar nicely. Once the sugar is nicely mixed and dissolved, I am going to add flour. I am going to use 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour along with 2 spoon baking powder. Now sieve the flour. What this does is, along with removing the impurities, this also uses air and this in turn makes the cake very soft and spongy. Now throw away this residue and then start mixing your batter. Do not mix the batter vigorously after adding the flour. This won't rise the cake. Just mix it gently in one direction like this. Keep on doing this for 2 to 3 minutes or even more if the batter is not mixed properly, but don't mix it vigorously. After 3 minutes, you will observe the batter is nicely mixing. I am going to link all of the ingredients in the description box. You can take screenshot before preparing the cake. That way it will be easy for you to refer and make. Now once the batter is nicely mixed, I am going to transfer this into the tin. Now gently pat the tin and then layer it with dry fruits. If you are going to bake this in oven, bake it for 30 to 35 minutes depending on oven. If you are going to use a vessel, then place this inside the heated vessel. Cover it and first cook it on medium flame for 5 minutes and after that turn the flame onto very low and cook it for 30 to 35 minutes depending how long it takes. Also you can cover the lid with a cloth. What this does is this prevents the steam from escaping and this creates oven kind of effect and this helps in proper baking of the cake. Now after 35 minutes or 30 minutes, check the cake, insert a knife and see. When it comes out clean, it means the cake has baked nicely. Let it cool and run a knife through all the sides and then invert the cake like this. It will come out clean. Now cut the pieces and enjoy. This is a very easy cake, very easy to make and unbelievably soft, moist and very yummy. So do try this recipe. I hope this video was clear for you and you enjoyed watching this. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.